Hi, I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. This week we're going to talk about slippery hair, what to do if hair grips slide out when you put them in. I have got 3 tricks for you to help stop the slip. Every single week I share accessory styling tips with you because I love accessories. I love the way they can lift your outfit in seconds. And I would love it if you would subscribe so that you can catch me every single week and you don't miss a thing. So let's dive into those 3 tips. So the first tip, this is one of my favourite hair clips in the QueenMee range. And I like to wear it on the side here. I have fine hair that everything slides out of. And if I'm wearing a barrette, I love wearing it on the side. But if I was just to put it in, it might well slide out. But if I try a simple trick like this, and I slide the grip in where I want the hair clip to go, just using something as easy as a little hair grip, you can see how the clip suddenly becomes secure. It keeps it brilliantly in place. Now, my second trick is if you love wearing your hair half up, half down. It's such a classic hairstyle that works for every single occasion, whether you're going to a wedding or whether you're just popping out for lunch. It's a brilliant way, classic hairstyle, and it's so flattering on so many of us. But if you have fine slippery hair like me, that half up, half down style can just fall out. But if you use hair grips, again, even if you've got quite a big clip like this, can you see how heavy this one is? But this works even in fine hair like mine if you use the hair grip trick. Now my third trick is for those that don't like grips but do like a nice elastic. These can be brilliant to secure your barrettes. So if you want to create a half up style, you put your hair in a high ponytail at the top, and then you can slide in a really heavy barrette on top of it and it will stay magically in place. So I've used this really big barrette again and it's completely secure. You can dance the night away knowing that your hair clip will stay beautifully in place and catch the light. These tricks are so brilliant if your hair is fine and slippery like mine. Before I knew about these tricks, I couldn't wear my own hair clips, and now I know I can wear them securely and concentrate on feeling fabulous and not worry about my hair slipping. If you've liked today, which I hope you have, I would love it if you would subscribe so that you don't miss next week's episode. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.